Hi children, in this video we are going to continue chapter 8 exercise 2 about equivalent fraction we are going to see. So here observe the colored parts and write the equivalent fraction. So here the first sum. So if you see the three pictures, all the three shapes are same size. But if you see in the first shape, the first shape is divided into three equal parts and one part is colored and which is denoted as 1/3. So here in the second picture, the same size of shape is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So here with the same size, the same shape which is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts is divided and out of 12, 4 parts is colored. So if you see all the three shapes are the same shape with the same size, but it is being divided into different parts. So we are going to see how it is equivalent to one and each other. So the first picture is denoted as 1/3, that is number of parts, 3 parts is denoted as denominator and the part which is colored is numerator. So here the same size of shape is divided with 6 different parts, that is equal parts. Each and every part is equal here, which is denoted as a denominator 6 and the colored part is 2. So here the numerator is 2, which means this 1/3 is equal to this 2/6. So just compare the colored parts. See, colored parts, the same size is colored, but here it is one part, but here it is divided into 2 parts. But the length of the size of this shape or part is equal. Can you able to see? See, if you see from here to here, from here to here, the colored part are equal, but only then is here it is mentioned as one part, here it is divided as 2 part, but this 1/3 is equal to 2/6 because this part and this part are equal, and that is why this 1/3 is equal to this 2/6. So now also just compare the third shape which is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This same shape is divided into 12 parts and with the 4 colored parts. So now even when it is divided into 12 parts and 4 parts is colored, but when you compare the colored parts of all the 3 shapes, the colored part which is equal. Can you able to see? All the colored parts are equal, but it is divided into different parts. But even though the size of the colored part is equal, so that here the denominator is 12 and the colored part is 4. So now this 1/3 is also equal to this 4/12, which is 1/3 is equal to 2/6 and it is also equal to 4/12. Okay, we'll see one more sum. So here circle shape is given And here this circle shape is divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So which is denoted as a denominator 3, and the colored part is 2. So the numerator they have given as 2. So here with the same circle which is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So here the denominator is 6 and the colored parts are 4. So the numerator is 4. So here the same circle, the same colored part. If you see this complete space, the colored part are equal, but the division part are different. Here it is 2 part, here it is 4 part. It is divided into 4 part and here it is 2 part. So even though the division parts are different, the colored parts are same. And that is why this 2 by 3 is equal to this 4 by 6. And with the same circle, the same size of colored part, if you see the colored part is equal. If you compare all 3 shapes, the colored part are equal. But here, if you just count the number of divided part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here again it is divided into 12 parts. And the colored parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The numerator is 8. So here this 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 and also it is equal to 8 by 12. If you see all the 3 shaded colored parts, all the 3 are equal, but it is divided into different parts. Okay, we'll see with the next sum. Observe the objects and write the equivalent fractions. So here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also 6. Here also 6. Here 4 circles are shaded. Here also 4 circles are shaded. So here this dot circle you can see, no? These dot circles represent number of parts. Number of parts. First part, second part and third part. Okay. So here it is just as it is number of circle. So here this circle is considered as one part. So totally how many parts are there? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. So total number of parts is denominator and the numerator denotes how many parts are colored. How many parts are colored. So here the first part is completely colored. The second part is also completely colored. That is why the numerator is given as 2. So when comes here, the dotted circles are not given. So it is not divided in groups or parts. So total how many circles are there? 6. So the 6 circles is denoted as 6 in the denominator and the 4 circles which is colored, no, that will be your numerator. So here when you compare, this 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Okay, so we'll see one more sum. So here each and every circles are individual and that is why it is as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 denominator and the colored parts are numerator. Here since this dotted circles are given, excuse me, dotted circles are given, so each and every circle is considered as one part, that is one group. One part, second part, third part, which is divided equally into 3 different parts, 3 equal parts. So in each group or each part, 3 circles are there. So among 3 parts, the one part alone all the 3 balls are shaded. So the numerator will be 1. Even though the second part is circled, only one part is colored. Only one part is colored. Okay, the other two parts are not colored. So only the colored parts you have to write in the numerator. So next question, observe the colored portion and write the equivalent fraction. So here a sum, two pictures are given but the colored parts are same. So here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So denominator 4. Okay, I am writing there. Colored parts are 2. So 2 by 4. Okay, this. Total 4 parts, colored is 2 parts. So here how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the denominator, colored are 4. So that is 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. Okay, here this sum, C sum. So here this shape and this shape are equal. So here 1, 2, 3 denominator. How many parts shaded? 2 parts. So this is 2 by 3 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So denominator is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the numerator. Okay, so that the colored parts are equal, which is 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 12. Okay, the resting the same concept you can do it. Okay, as a homework. So now observe the colored portion and write the equivalent fraction. Okay, so here the A sum. Here also if you see 4 separate circles are given, among that 2 is colored, which is 2 by 4 because number of circle is 4, colored is 2. Here first group, second group. Okay, because this dotted circles are there. Each one dotted circle is considered as one group or one part. So here how many groups are there? 2. That is 2 parts. How many parts? 2 parts. Among 2 parts, how many parts are circled? That is colored. How many parts are colored? Only one part is colored, which is 1 by 2. That means 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so I'll do this sum, C sum. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 circle. Among 8 circle, 4 is colored. 4 by 8. So here how many dotted circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 equal parts. Okay, among 4 equal parts, how many parts are colored? How many parts are colored? 2 parts. 1, 2. So that is 2 is your numerator, and how many parts are there? 4. Okay, so this 4 by 8 is equal to 2 by 4. Okay, so these two sums you can do it by yourself as a homework. So next, color the parts to show the equivalent fractions. So we are going to color the parts which they have given the fractions. So here 1 by 3, that is among 3 parts, 1 part I have to color. So here 2 by 6. So totally 6 parts are there. Among 6, 2 I have to color. So any 2 you can color. Okay. So here next sum 2 by 4. Any 2 from 4 part I can color. Here 4 by 8. Totally 8 parts are there. Among 8 I have to color 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 I am going to color. Okay. So if you want. So this C sum and D sum you can try it. And this F sum I'll do it. So here 4 by 12. So 12 circles are there. From 12, 4 I have to circle. 3, 4. So here 1 by 3. That is, this 3 is nothing but 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Among 3 parts, 1 part I have to color. 1 part means any one complete part which is there inside the dotted circle you have to color. So here 2 by 6. That is totally in the denominator 6. 6 parts are there. 6 equal parts are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Among 6 equal parts, you have to color any 2 parts. See, any 2 complete parts. Understood? So, hope you have understood. Thank you, children.